Dear students, welcome to the class of commutative property of rational numbers under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let us consider the commutative property of natural numbers. Set of natural number is our first set, that is only the positive integers 1, 2, 3 so on. So consider the set. So for example 4, 8 belongs to n, then 4 plus 8 equal to 12. Similarly 8 plus 4 is also 12. Therefore we can conclude that 4 plus 8 equal to 8 plus 4. 4 plus 8 equal to 8 plus 4. Similarly consider another example 100, 200 belongs to n. 100 plus 200 equal to 200 plus 100. Therefore, we can generalize for all AB belongs to n, A plus B equal to B plus A. So, this is called the commutative property. So, commutative property is holds good for natural number set under addition. So, now come to the subtraction. 4, 8 belongs to n, then 4 minus 8 equal to minus 4. Similarly, 8 minus 4 equal to 4. Therefore, we can conclude that 4 minus 8 is not equal to 8 minus 4. 100, 200 belongs to n. Similarly, 100 minus 200 is not equal to 200 minus 100. Therefore, we can generalize for all AB belongs to n, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So, commutative property not holds good for natural number set under subtraction. So, now come to the multiplication. So, now consider the same example 4, 8 belongs to n, then 4 plus 8, 4 into 8 equal to 32. Similarly, 8 into 4 is also 32. Therefore, we can conclude that 4 into 8 equal to 8 into 4. Consider another example 100 and 200 belongs to n. 100 into 200 equal to 200 into 100. If you consider any natural numbers, any two natural numbers, this is true. So therefore we can generalize for all AB belongs to n, A into B equal to B into A. So commutative property holds good for natural number set under multiplication. So now come to the division. Now come to the division. 4, 8 belongs to n, then 4 by 8 equal to half. Similarly, 8 by 4 equal to 2. Therefore, 4 by 8 is not equal to 8 by 4. Similarly, one example is enough to show that not holds good. But I am considering another example 100, 200 belongs to n. Similarly, 100 by 200 is not equal to 200 by 100. Therefore, we can generalize for all AB belongs to n, A by B is not equal to B by A. So, commutative property is not holds good for natural number set under division. So, therefore, from this we can conclude that commutative property of natural numbers, commutative properties holds good under addition and multiplication, but not under subtraction and division. Let us move on to the other set of numbers. For whole numbers, integers also the same. So I am not give much explanation about these sets. The commutative properties also holds good for whole numbers and integers under addition and multiplication. Verify yourself. Similarly, the commutative property is not holds good for whole numbers and integers under subtraction and division. Take any examples and verify yourself and come to the conclusion yourself. So now let us move on to our main theme, commutative property under rational numbers. So rational numbers. Now I am considering 1 by 8, 3 by 8 belongs to 2. Now 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8. Here if we add the fractions, then you will get 4 by 8. Similarly, if you add 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8, you will get 4 by 8. Therefore 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8 is equal to 3 by 8 plus 1 by 4. Therefore for all a b belongs to Q, a plus b equal to b plus a. That is commutative property holds good under addition for rational numbers. Similarly, come to the multiplication 1 by 8 and 3 by 8 belongs to Q now. 1 by 8 into 3 by 8, 3 ones are 3, 8 8s are 64. So 3 by 64. Similarly, 3 by 8 into 1 by 8 is also 3 by 64. Therefore, we can conclude that 1 by 8 equal to 1 by 8 into 3 by 8 equal to 3 by 8 into 1 by 8. Therefore, for all AB belongs to Q, A into B equal to B into A. That is commutative property holds good under multiplication. So I think you are clear now. Come to the subtraction. 1 by 8 and 3 by 8. I am taking the same example for Q belongs to Q. Now 1 by 8 minus 3 by 8 equal to, you will get minus 2 by 8. But 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8, you will get 2 by 8. So therefore we can conclude that 1 by 8 minus 3 by 8 is not equal to 3 by 8 minus 1 by 8. Therefore we can generalize for all a b belongs to Q, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. That is commutative property not holds good under subtraction. So now come to the division. Consider the same example. 1 by 8 and 3 by 8 belongs to Q. 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 8. You know that the division is taking reciprocal and multiply. So that is 1 by 8 into 8 by 3. So now you will get 8 cancel. You will get 1 by 3. And here 3 by 8 divided by 1 by 8. Take reciprocal of 1 by 8. So that is 8 by 1. Now 8 cancel. You will get 3. Here answer is 1 by 3. Here answer is 3, which are not equal. Therefore 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 8 is not equal to 3 by 8 divided by 1 by 8. Therefore for all AB belongs to Q, A plus A divided by not equal to B divided by A. That is the commutative property not holds good under addition. I think you are clear. In rational number sets also the commutative properties holds good under addition and multiplication, but not under subtraction and division. Subtraction and division, not addition, subtraction and division. So therefore we can conclude. I am here giving two questions to understand. Give answer for this question. Show the commutative properties holds good under addition for rational numbers. Consider taking any example, and you can prove. Verify whether minus 7 by 11 into minus 9 by 11 equal to minus 9 by 11 into minus 7 by 11. What is your conclusion? What is your conclusion? Okay. Thank you. I think you are clear about the commutative property of rational numbers. We will meet on the next class, that is associative property of rational numbers. Okay, thank you.